Hello folks, let's get started. Git is a version control system and we all know that. Let's go a little beyond that definition. So what is a version control system? Version control system is a software that helps in keeping track of various changes that we make in our code. We can keep track of what we changed exactly and understand why we did it, basically with the help of commit messages. With a cloud destination available like GitHub or GitLab, we can keep our changes and the files secure. We can also move between various versions of our code. So let's look at a scenario where this version control system comes into picture. It is when multiple people are collaborating. Okay, let's take an example of two people, let's say Kate and Bob. So both Kate and Bob are working on the same project. Okay, the version control system allows both Kate and Bob to have the same code as different branches. Okay, this will help them to collaborate on the same project but doesn't have to mess up the main code altogether. Okay. The version control system will also help them to keep track of the changes made by each other and work together easy. So basically, the changes made by Kate will be visible or basically made available to Bob with the help of this version control system, and vice versa. The changes made by Bob will also be available for, let's say, checking and all those kind of things by Kate. This makes collaboration easier. Now let's come back to Git. Git is a distributed version control system which does exactly the same things that we discussed earlier. There are a lot of other tools also, just like Mercurial and all, but Git is the most popular one because of its simplicity and its features. Almost all of the companies use Git as a version control system clubbed with other cloud platforms like GitHub or GitLab. By the way, Git is open sourced and it can also be used for very big projects because it's really scalable. So the more to Git, the more will be the collaboration between, let's say, people. So that's it for what Git is and what a version control system is. Let's look at the other topics in the upcoming videos. Do subscribe to our channel in order to be notified whenever we are sharing a new video on our channel.